I want to talk to you today about this BIC exact liner correction tape. If you work in an office or you're dealing with a lot of documents, this is the thing you need, because I don't know about you, but I'm always making a little bit itty bitty mistakes or want to make an adjustment. I always have this on hand to help me get through making some slight adjustments, whether I'm handwriting a letter or have a document that's been typed. Let me just show you how easy it is to work. You can see I have just written a small message in the line, and now I want to change that message. So I'm going to take my pen and make sure that the white side is down, and you're just going to put a gentle pressure, and you can see it just covers it very easy. And now I can write right over top of it. I think this pen is an essential item that anybody needs that's doing any type of typing or correcting. You need one of these handy to make your life just a little bit easier. And that is my honest opinion.